Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if screen rotation is not working on your Nokia 5. First, you want to make sure screen rotation is turned on. Simply scroll down from the top of the screen twice and make sure auto rotate is turned on. Another place you can find this option in is in Settings, Display, Advanced and Auto Rotate Screen. Now once it is enabled, you can go into any app that supports such a thing, for example Google Play Store, and try flipping your phone. If it is flat on the ground, the phone wouldn't really recognize it flipped, so make sure it's not flat on the ground, so the sensors can actually detect it. If it works, excellent. If it doesn't, there are a few more things you can try. The first being simply resetting the phone. Press and hold the power button and tap on Restart. Once you do it, will restart the phone and reset the sensors. Next best option would be to go into Power Off, hold it, and reboot to safe mode. This will eliminate all third-party apps interference and possibly help you out. If it works in safe mode but not in normal usage, that means some app is causing interference. Then you might have to test out by uninstalling the apps you have installed one by one to check out what app could possibly be causing it. Or you might have to do a factory reset, which you can do in Settings, scrolling down to System, Advanced, Reset Options, and erase all data. However, that might not be necessary. You can also go into System Update to check if your phone is up to date. If it is not, it could also be messing with your screen rotation, and just make sure your phone is up to date. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.